Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. On today's video, I'm going to show you how to design this beautiful beaded hairband. So this one was the one I already designed for someone. So I'm just going to show you in the video here the materials you can use to make your hairband look this beautiful. First of all, you will need your twine. You all know what is twine. Some people call it hook and line. But before I go forward, please, if you know you are seeing my channel for the first time, please do not subscribe to my YouTube channel. Turn on the notification bell so that whenever I post a new video, you get to see it. Thank you for watching my videos. I hope you like my video. Comment, like, also share to your friends to like my videos. Okay, here already I started the beaded band already. I now think of a lot of people are looking for this video online to watch how it's designed. It's actually very simple, So the first thing for you to do after wrapping your band, for those that are already milliners, they know how to wrap their band. If you don't know how to wrap a band, check my previous video on how to make your ruffle fascinator. You will see where I teach my viewers how to wrap their band. So after wrapping your band like this neatly, then this is the twine I was talking about. Then you need your different shapes of bead, your needle, or there's some beading needle as well. There's beading needle as well. After passing your twine on your needle, you first of all pass it through the material before picking your bead to tack, and then you drag it and tack it. What you will do, you pick the bigger bead first. I have two beads here, the crystal bead and the stone bead. The stone bead is the one in off-white, while the crystal bead is the other one. So you pick your bead, you pass it through. I think here I was trying to design and the twine hook on this other part that already beaded. Okay, now this is a clearer video of it. You pass your thread in the middle of the bead, and then you pick it like that and drag it. You pick the gold one, you do the same thing. You pick the stone bead, which is the off-white, you do the same thing. Just keep going like that, line by line, until you get to the end of the band. You get to the end of your design. It's very simple, it's not too hard, though there are some headbands that are difficult, those ones that you use wire work to do. I think I'll bring that also to my channel, but this one is very simple and easy for you to understand it as a miliner. Even as a beginner, my videos are quite explanatory. It's not difficult for you to learn on my channel. Please drop a comment on my comment section, like, share to your friends, and comment. Thank you so much. Bye bye. Keep watching and don't forget to subscribe. Keep doing it like that until you get to the end of the band. you see this beaded banner of sizes, the bead are of sizes. There are bigger ones and there are smaller ones. The bigger ones make it bolder and it adds beauty to the band.